everyone, I'm Stephanie Dang and I will be featuring the February 2024 main kit along with the rolled flowers that came with the kit. I'm just using a template to cut down my photo, and then I'm just framing my photo in white. I start fussy cutting these scallops. I'm using these rolled flowers. Before I get started, I'm just heating up my glue gun. I'm using the end of a paintbrush to help me get started on these rolled flowers. I'm just rolling, starting from the outside in, and I keep rolling until I have a completed flower. I squeeze the flowers and let them loosen up naturally before I start gluing down the bottom base. Got my flowers all rolled and glued together. Now I'm gently fluffing the petals by folding them down one by one, starting from the last petal. I stop when I can no longer fold them. Be very, very gentle because you can definitely tear your flower if you are too rough. I'm setting my flowers aside for later, and I'm just layering up my photos. I'm going to start playing with embellishments now by using all embellishments from the main kit. This whole layout is actually created by using only the main kit, so. just added my stitching and I'm done with this layout. I hope you liked my layout and I gave you some inspiration. Thank you so much for watching, and please hit the like button if you like my video, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already.